This video covers the Acolytics core concept of the least common multiple. So first let's go over some definitions. The least common multiple is the smallest whole number, excluding 0, that two or more whole numbers will divide into evenly. So some quick points or hooks to remember is that 0 is a multiple of all numbers. However, 0 is excluded when finding the least common multiple. So that means even though both numbers share 0 in common, it doesn't count as the least common multiple, even though it's the smallest number. Also, in order to solve these problems, you write down the multiples for each of the numbers in question, and then the first one that they have in common besides 0 is the answer. So let's do an example. So for our example, we're going to determine what is the least common multiple of 6 and 8. So let's list the number 6. Hold on, going back. Use the mouse pointer as a pen, and then we'll start with the number 6 here and the number 8 here. So we'll do this. List the multiples for 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. And 6 times 6 is 36. So let's list some of the few multiples for 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. And 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 6 is 48. Alright, so then we know that we can't use 0 as the least common multiple. So then we have to look and see, do they have 6 in common? No. Do they have 12 in common? No. Do they have 18 in common? No. But the first number that we see that they have in common is 24. So the LCM, or least common multiple, of 6 and 8 is 24. Hope that helps.